So I love these about the Mk4 sumps. They have these plastic panels that act as little buffers for the oil so that it doesn't slosh around as much and you don't get oil starvation. So if you can get one of these for your Mk4 R32, definitely do it. They're shallower as well. That really helps with lowered cars. Great, another good day. So bottom and top timing chain covers are back on. Just need to do the main seal there, and then that bolt tensioner sump is also back on. Fresh gaskets, which is nice. So just getting the rear main seal on, the 3.2 BUB and the Victor Reinz seal. It comes with this plastic sort of piece that helps you fit it on first. What I like to do is just push it all in by hand and go around as even as possible. It'll start inserting itself quite nicely. Then when it gets to a certain point, it gets a little bit harder to push. Then that's when I come in with something that's kind of blunt and flat, end of a wire brush, and just go around evenly and hammering that in until it's flush with that metal sort of flat. Great, so yeah, you can see that is all the way in now, and you will hear the hammering sound change as you've gotten all the way down and flush to that flat surface. Then all you need to do is really just remove this, and then you just leave it for a few hours. Done. Okay, and now just to pre-prime the top tensioner. So you see there's a little hole here at the bottom. So that's the part that you want to submerge into the oil. Just got like a little cap here, little bowl will do. And you just want to pump that a few times like that until you start feeling some tension build up. You don't want to do it too much, otherwise your tensioner will explode. I've done it before. So you can see there's bubbles and that's filling up. Let me just check that a little bit more, and that's getting harder now to push. So that's really it. That's all I'll do, and then install that to the right spec. Then install that chain tensioner and torque up to 40 Newton meters, so 40. It's not that tight. There we go. Lovely.